This project's being delivered by the Suburban Land Agency in conjunction with Evo Energy. The project will take around 18 months from commencement to completion. Consists of around about 9 kilometres of underground trenching and around 27 kilometres of conduits to be laid in those trenches. We would expect the lines to be energised in mid-2023. And another important aspect of the project is, of course, the removal and recycling of the large metal towers that you see stretching from Whitlam all the way through Molonglo down to the Tuggeranong Parkway. These transmission lines have enough capacity to supply half of Canberra's peak electricity demand. They form an essential part of the interlinked transmission network that ensures reliable electrical supply to the ACT. Boundary Road at the Arboretum will be sealed, enabling a more accessible road for the public, as well as the horticultural team who maintain over 44,000 rare, endangered and symbolic trees.
We're proud to deliver this project in partnership with Suburban Land Agency, and we're excited to work on projects like this that invest in our energy network and set us up to continue to support the community now and in the future. The new transmission cables will meet the highest electrical safety standards, and we've worked to minimise the environmental impacts.